In this video, I wanted to introduce you to a couple new templates for the Canvas starter site. These templates came about from my own MyListing project, which is called Influence WP. So I just took the templates that I created, or the page I should say, I created for Influence WP, created a light and a dark mode version, which I'm about to show you here, and added it to the Canvas starter site. And these are now available on the MyListing Club website. Whether you are a member or you want to purchase those templates as one-off downloads, you can do that. They are, like I said, currently available on the club website. So let's go ahead and run through these. But before I do that, if you are a MyListing Club client, so you are a managed MyListing client, you are under the club's keys to hosting, you've purchased a starter site, or you have MyListing website care with the club, you are entitled to a growth license for the RafflePress software, which is what I use for giveaways. So that holds a $160 annual value alone. So that is what I'm using. That's what I'm basing these templates that I'm about to show you off of, as far as what's called actions. Okay, so if you happen to use RafflePress, or you want to use RafflePress and you're a client, reach out to me and I'll get you that software. But this applies regardless of what software you are going to use. You just tweak it to your needs. Okay, so let's look at the actual templates here. So really simple stuff. Contact form. Once you get your hands on this, obviously you can adjust the fields and stuff however you want. But the important thing is the core is in there, and the styling is obviously in there. Okay, just your typical form stuff. What's important here, as far as how I did this, the only required fields are the name, email address, and special offer. So they can say this is a lifetime license, lifetime membership, or whatever that special offer is, but that's a required field. Everything else is not required below that. So maybe they have special notes like, related to the license or the membership, and they can drop those notes in here, but it's not required. And then down here, because we use RafflePress, and like I said, you can adjust this to however you need to based on the software you use. These are all of the available actions we're saying to our partners. Hey, what actions do you want to include in your giveaway that can help your business? So they can come in here and multi-select whatever actions they want, and we give a nice little indication of what we need from them. So hey, if you want to link to TikTok, provide your URL. If you want to do visit a page, give us that URL. If you want to have us do a poll or ask questions, give us, here's the poll, for example. Provide us those questions. Let us know what type. Is it a single or multi-choice poll? That sort of thing. You get the idea. And there's also a custom one. If you happen to use RafflePress, there's a custom one. And you can say, hey, just tell us what you want us to create for an action. And it even allows for HTML to be injected. So you can do that. And then down here is another non-required field. This is where they give us the info. So TikTok, put that in. And then they could say and then here's the URL. Okay, and so on and so forth. And then down here, we've just got some social media icons if they want to follow you. All right, so let's go ahead and look at tablet. Everything looks good there. Look on mobile. Everything looks good there. And now let's check the dark mode version. This space down here, you see where it's white, that's just because the site is in light mode by default. Obviously, if you're using dark mode, that will be a dark area as well to match what's up here. Okay, so no worries there. Okay, as you can see, the text being entered is all good. The multi-select is good, and so on and so forth. Let's check it out on tablet. All good. And check it out on mobile. All good. All right, guys, that's it. Again, if you are a MyListing Club client, you have access to this RafflePress software. Just reach out to me, and we'll get it installed on your site. These giveaways are an amazing way to get more eyeballs on your directory, your business, and grow that customer base and that user base. All right, guys, catch you in the next video.